Hi, today I'm going to share with everyone how to fix this iPad bulge out at the edge. Okay, this bulge out at the edge is very common. Overrun battery, it can be overcharged. It can be left a long period of time, and then the chemical compound release some gas that has compact inside this battery cell. So often that this is one of the battery pad from the iPad. Initially, it was bulged out. So I'm going to show how I puncture it and patch it, the whole process that you required, insulation tape, okay, a pair of scissors, a recyclable credit card or SIM card plastic. It's very flimsy. We use this to ply, and a needle, a sharp pin needle. Okay, so you need minimal supervision to work on this, or if you are technically electronic servicing good in this, you can have it in good hand. Otherwise, it poses some risk, and bear in mind hazardous of the cell. It's very dangerous. So this is just for sharing how I carry out this procedure. Thereof, our temporary power up, if it works run, I can still work it for time being, and I definitely need to replace a new battery. So this is not a remedy just to last you, because it's end of life battery. Okay, what I'm going to do is, as you can see, here is an open area. So I will just glide this along, okay, carefully, glide it along. Okay, inside there's double side tape, very strong tape. So normally you need to be very careful when we apply this. Otherwise, incidentally, it may hurt the very fragile, flimsy LCD screen. That will cost a lot more than, okay. Technically, if you are running in the workshop, you should use a hot air gun, heat up all the four corners surface. Then it's easier to ply this screen apart. Okay. You have to be very careful. Okay, almost done. So I have applied this edge. Okay. Okay. There it goes. This is how it looks like. Almost, this is how it looks like. Carefully. Okay. Okay. Because I'm not going to run through with you removing this panel. If there's need to do that, okay, we need to unscrew these three screws. 1, 2, 3. These 3 screws, once you remove, then take out this steel cover. Then you need to pull out the ribbon. Okay, you need to pull out the ribbon. Once this is removed, okay, the ribbon that is intact with this battery back bundle, you just need to lift it up. Okay, there are two connectors. For this demo, I'm not going to remove this entirely screen. I just want to puncture two batteries. So what I'm going to do now is, okay, let me leave this cover open. I need to cut a small portion of this insulated tape. Okay, you can use a scotch tape even though, but rubber tape will be good. Insulated tape. Okay, I need 2 pieces, 1 per cell. So it's a pack which consists of 2 bulge battery cells. So what I'm going to do is, now I'm going to puncture, okay, anywhere of this, either I'm going to puncture this one and then this one. So let's say I'm going to puncture, okay, that's it, this one. Okay, you see, I already puncture a hole, and quickly, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to release, press, compress, release the gas. This is a very toxic gas. On my fan, open up your window, okay, quit in the opening air environment, wear a mask, or you need to wear a mask, okay, like me wearing a mask here, and then, you know, safety measure. This is not for any user who want to pry open this. This is for demo education purpose. How short-term, temporary, you can patch, you can compress, compact this battery into shape so that your screen will no longer bulge out, okay? And then here's is another one. I'm going to puncture it. There goes. Okay, I puncture it already. And again, I'm going to release the gas. Okay. Do not attempt in your own interest that you're not familiar this at your own risk. It's hazardous. Okay. Make sure you have supervision under someone who are into electronic servicing like myself. If you are familiar, then you can do it this way. Otherwise, you need much proper steps and utility to work around this. Okay. Okay. Patch it firmly. Done. Okay. That's it. Okay. Okay. Before I close up, I just want to power on. You see? Looks good, huh? Everything's back in shape, in good form. Okay, everyone. Just now you see that this iPad was bulged out, right? Just now it's bulged out. Now you don't see any bulging. Because I already flattened the battery. The battery, the cells already end of life. Okay, it's end of life, that's why. The only shortcoming way to fix this bulging out is to flatten, okay, release the gas inside this cell. Okay, this can be very common. Found that battery bulging out is because of lithium ion battery. Okay, it's made up of a chemical process, element that is, when you charge, the gas will help inside here, and when you don't have help certain very small amount of charge, it will cause deteriorate, and then it will bulge out. Simple as that. So don't do it in your own, because you may damage the screen and that's it. It will cost more than the battery. Yeah. Now this is back to normal. Good. Okay. Okay, I'm going to off this. Currently, you still have power on hold. So that's much of today's presentation. I hope you enjoy watching this entire op process. And well, stay tuned for the next presentation. I'm Kenji from Doi Enterprise. Take care. Bye.